Hey everyone. Okay, today we're gonna heat press a face mask. So I got a bunch of face masks, about 5,000 face masks, and we're gonna heat press this Kings of NY logo right onto this face mask. So basically, we're gonna have just a center placement, pretty much. Nothing too crazy, just like that. And here we go. Standard temperature, I think we have it at like 365. We're going to do it for like 10 seconds. Just press it. First you put it on there nice and clean. Place your logo on it. Right in the center. In hindsight, probably should have put it higher. But anyway, here we go. Just going to press that with the cover sheet. Close it up. A couple seconds. Let it heat right onto that face mask. And couple seconds, take it right off. Hot peel. There it is. Completed, done. Perfect. Pressed. Heat transfer vinyl, and here it is. Perfect. Face mask ready to go. Thanks.